Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your WhatsApp on iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your App Store and here just type WhatsApp and select and open the WhatsApp. And if you see the option open, that means you are currently using the updated version of WhatsApp. But if you see the option update, simply tap on that. It will appear in this section update. Simply tap on that and it will download and install automatically the updated version on your device. But for some reason, if you don't have the new feature after updating it, I would recommend you to simply go to the apps and to install it. To do that, simply click and hold on to that apps and select remove apps and just select the delete apps, and it will delete your WhatsApp. And after that, you have to reinstall all the WhatsApp from the app store, and it will fix all the problem you're having. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you guys.